What to do to prepare your home for showings, by Sesta, Realtor. As a homeowner looking to sell your property, preparing your home for showings is crucial in making a positive impression on potential buyers. It allows potential buyers to envision themselves living in your space and can significantly impact their decision-making process. By taking the time to make your home more appealing and inviting, you increase the chances of receiving competitive offers. Let's move on to the specific steps involved in getting your home ready for showings. 1. Declutter and organize. One of the first tasks you should tackle is decluttering and organizing your home. Remove any unnecessary items, such as personal belongings, excessive furniture, or cluttered decor. A clutter-free space creates an illusion of more significant square footage and allows potential buyers to focus on the home's features rather than being distracted by clutter. 2. Deep cleaning and freshen up. A clean and fresh-smelling home is more inviting to buyers. Consider hiring professional cleaners to deep clean your property, including carpets, windows, and hard-to-reach areas. Pay attention to odors and eliminate them by ensuring proper ventilation and using air fresheners or neutralizers. 3. Staging your home. Staging your home involves arranging furniture, decor, and accessories to create an appealing and cohesive look. Consider hiring a professional home stager who can expertly showcase your home's best features and create a welcoming atmosphere. If you prefer to stage it yourself, keep in mind the importance of creating a neutral and inviting ambiance that appeals to a broad range of potential buyers. 4. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior is the first thing potential buyers will see. Enhance your curb appeal by ensuring your lawn is well maintained, adding fresh mulch or flowers to the garden, and repainting the front door if needed. A tidy and visually appealing exterior will entice buyers to explore further. 5. Setting the right ambiance. During showings, it's crucial to create the right ambiance in your home. Adjust lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere, and consider playing soft background music to enhance the overall experience. You want potential buyers to feel comfortable and emotionally connected to the space. 6. Make necessary repairs. Fix leaky faucets, replace burnt-out light bulbs, touch up chipped paint, and ensure all appliances are in working order. Small details can make a big difference and demonstrate that your home has been well maintained. 7. Maximizing natural light. Natural light is highly desirable in any home. Open curtains and blinds to let in as much natural light as possible during showings. If your home lacks adequate natural light, consider using strategically placed mirrors to reflect light and create a brighter atmosphere. 8. Highlight and key features. Identify the unique selling points of your home and highlight them during showings. Whether it's a stunning view, a spacious kitchen, or a cozy fireplace, draw attention to these features and emphasize their value to potential buyers. 9. Create inviting spaces. Arrange furniture and decor to create inviting spaces throughout your home. Use warm colors, plush textiles, and tasteful accessories to make each room feel cozy and comfortable. Properly staged rooms help potential buyers envision themselves living and entertaining in the space. 10. Showcase outdoor areas. If your property includes outdoor areas, such as a patio, balcony, or garden, make sure to showcase them effectively. Arrange outdoor furniture, add potted plants, and create inviting outdoor living spaces that buyers can envision themselves enjoying. 11. Keeping pets at bay. While many people love pets, it's essential to keep them away during showings. Some potential buyers may have allergies or feel uncomfortable around animals. Find a safe and temporary solution for your pets during this time, such as taking them for a walk or asking a friend to look after them. 12. Secure valuables and personal belongings. During showings, it's crucial to secure your valuables and personal belongings. Lock away jewelry, important documents, and any items of sentimental value. Taking these precautions ensures peace of mind and safeguards your possessions. 13. The final touches. Before each showing, add some finishing touches to create a welcoming environment. Fresh flowers, scented candles, or a bowl of fresh fruit can contribute to a pleasant and inviting atmosphere. Small gestures like these can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Conclusion. Following these essential steps, you can significantly increase the appeal of your home during showings. Thank you for watching. And best of luck with your sale!